today with the 2019 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear fog light, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, security system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.